30 interesting facts about cats. 1. The cat was domesticated about 9,500 years ago in the Middle East in the Fertile Crescent, the conventional name for a region with increased rainfall during the winter months, where the earliest human civilizations were born and developed. 2. A cat's tongue extends at a rate of 1 meter per second when it licks liquids. Unlike dogs, a cat's tongue only touches the surface of the liquid, not penetrates it. The tongue then rushes upward and drags the column of liquid behind it. 3. There are currently about 600 million domestic cats in the world. 4. A distinctive feature of a cat's eye structure, characteristic of many mammals, is the presence of a blinking web, the third eyelid. It can be seen when the cat sleeps with its eyes ajar or feels tired. If the third eyelid is visible all the time, including when the cat is awake, it may be a sign of disease in most cases. 5. Most cats are capable of giving birth to 1 to 9 kittens in one litter. The largest known litter consisted of 19 kittens, 15 of which survived. 6. The longest surviving cat ever recorded is said to be Cream Puff, who lived 38 years and 3 days, 1967 to 2005. 7. Cats excel at seeing in low light, but, contrary to popular misconception, they cannot see in total darkness. 8. Vibrissae, whiskers, in cats are specialized sensory organs, performing a tactile function. In no circumstances should the cat's whiskers be removed because this would practically deprive the cat of its system of orientation and navigation in space. 9. While in most countries the black cat is considered as a symbol of misfortune, in Britain and Australia they are, on the contrary, considered as a good luck animal. 10. Cat's sense of smell is about 14 times stronger than that of humans, allowing them to sense smells that humans are not even aware of. Mathematician Richard Montgomery once developed a special theory called the falling cat theorem. According to it, a cat that falls with its back down always turns over with its back up to land on its paws. 12. A cat hardly ever meows to other cats. Mostly this sound is intended for humans. They tend to rumble or hiss at other members of the feline species. 13. The Burmese breed of cat is characterized by a very calm, docile, and gentle nature. They are very intelligent and sociable. They usually greet guests with great curiosity and without fear at all. Unlike some other more active breeds, cats of this breed often like to sit on their laps and in their arms. 14. Cats should not be deprived of meat food because it is impossible to synthesize all the amino acids they need from plant food. 15. Cats eat grass, leaves, and young shoots of plants to improve the digestive system and to induce vomiting to cleanse the stomach of hair. 16. Cleanliness is an instinct in all felines. Cleanliness of the body is necessary when hunting so that prey cannot smell a lurking predator. They wash themselves by licking their fur at least 10 times a day. 17. Cats of the Maine Coon breed are highly intelligent. It is one of the few breeds that is trainable. 18. Cat's claws contain a pulp, a blood vessel that reaches almost to the tip of the claw. In cases where the claws need to be trimmed, special care must be taken to do so. 19. In Germany and Switzerland, claw amputations in cats are prohibited by law. and in many other European countries, they are also prohibited under the European Convention for the Protection of the Rights of Companion Animals. 20. Valerian root extract contains actinidin, which is the culprit for the unusual behavior of domestic cats and other felines, tigers, lions, cougars, etc. Its odor is similar to that of one of the constituents found in feline urine. 21. Cats are capable of giving their voice about 100 different intonations, while dogs only about 10. 22. The Abyssinian cat is one of the oldest cat breeds. They are named after the African country of Abyssinia, now Ethiopia. 23. Purring apparatus in cats are thinly connected hyoid bones that are located between the base of the skull and the base of the tongue. The contraction of the muscles near the vocal cords causes them to vibrate. The purring sound a cat makes with its mouth and nose, and the vibration spreads throughout its body. 24. When a cat is satisfied, it lets out and retracts the claws on its front paws. This movement is called the milk step. Such a movement stimulates kittens to release milk from their mother's nipples when feeding. 25. In the UK, two cats, Humphrey, 1988 to 2006, and Larry, 2007, have been awarded the official title. The cats residing in the residence of the British Prime Minister have been given the title of Chief Mouser of the government residence. 26. In the 1930s, two Russian biologists discovered that color changes in Siamese kittens depend on their body temperature. Siamese cats carry albino genes that are triggered when their body temperature is above 36 degrees Celsius. The warm parts of the body produce less pigment than the cold parts, so the ears, paws, tail, and muzzle are colored darker than the rest of the body. 27. In the Catholic countries of medieval Europe, the cat was considered to be the companion of witches and the personification of unclean powers. Because of this, they were burned alive at bonfires or thrown down from bell towers. The extermination of cats is indirectly attributed to plague outbreaks because there was almost no one to exterminate rats and other rodent vectors of the disease. 28. The Manaw has the fluffiest and thickest fur among the felines. While other cats have an average of 2,500 hairs per square centimeter, Pallas cats have 9,000. 29. Unlike dogs, cats did not undergo significant changes during their domestication process. 30. Cats can reach speeds of up to 49 kilometers per hour on short distances.